आज अभी मैं आपके कुछ स्टार्टअप यूनिट्स वालों को मिला, सबको तो नहीं मिल पाया, कुछ लोगों को मिला, लेकिन हर एक को 10-10 होमवर्क दे करके आया हूं। क्योंकि मैं समझ सकता हूं कि बहुत बड़ा बदलाव लाने वाला क्षेत्र है साथियों। एक बहुत बड़ा रिवॉल्यूशन हो रहा है और उसकी मजबूत नींव यहां हम देख रहे हैं।
Better access to credit line, a digital infrastructure that's advanced and more financially inclusive. Usage of artificial intelligence and machine learning. These are some of the top points from the homework that Prime Minister Modi has assigned to fintech leaders here at the Global Fintech Fest. This 3-day fest has managed to put a light on all the innovation that's been taking place here in the Indian fintech industry.
I think that the vision that he set forward for all of us is just amazing. And he said, you couldn't imagine 5 years back when you started where we are today. 10 years back, you should be in the same state that you're at a state where you can say that you couldn't imagine this 5 years back. So I think he said that I'll come at 10th year, and I want this to be as big as it can be and bigger than what you could imagine today. So it's an amazing vision for the industry, and I think the entire industry is very energized to execute towards that vision and take it to a level that none of us can imagine.
He has all the top of the mind numbers, like how much, like the number of people, right, who are accessing internet has increased from 60 million to 900 plus million in last 10 years, and that is amazing progress. Same way, like people who have access to bank account, people who are using UPI, that has progressed so much, right? I think probably as a PM, like he also feels proud of the progress that we have made as a nation, and I think him crediting the industry and especially calling out the fintech industry, I think it's a great motivator in that sense that the work that you are doing is really creating the impact, and getting that acknowledgement from the PM for the industry, right, and getting that motivation that we should do more. There is a lot more to go forward to is phenomenal.
So the directions is right from minute small inputs that he has given, even from for a cross-border payments to even on a macro picture that how more faster we can innovate, right, and how more faster that we can, this digital inclusion reaches out to the bottom of the pyramid. A lot of things that something is launching in Orissa for Sakhi and others. So those things also what can be done with CBDC and e-rupee. A lot of inputs that he has given which are very valid, and I think once implemented, I think all of us have made note, and we are going to ensure that those are getting implemented.
Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV 18. Hope you liked it. For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV 18 on all the social media platforms.